Just woke up, but your neck hurts and you feel like you never went to bed. Feeling hot when your partner feels cold. And you toss and turn on your pillow all night to make it right. Do you struggle choosing a pillow that is the perfect height and firmness? On top of that, you are tired of wasting money on pillows that end up on guest bedrooms without any use. Wake up, dude! You deserve better. Take this K25 Smart Pillow that is adjustable. Remove or add fill to match your perfect height and firmness. Double-sided. Blue side is cooling and white side is warm and cozy. Made from Snip-Tech, memory foam that is custom cut to create breathable layers like sleeping on a cloud. Perfect for all types of sleepers. Back sleepers, side sleepers, stomach sleepers. Looks like you had a great sleep. Only for Kickstarter, with every pillow you get extra cooling pillowcase. Free! Extra foam to make high pillows. Free! And reusable bag to store your extra foam. Free! Kickstarter free bundle is only available while supplies last. Once it ends forever. Don't wait. Get yours now.